Welcome back, guys, to another interesting video. Guys, in this video, I will provide you Game Turbo, which will help to increase your gaming experience and FPS in low-end devices. Guys, please don't skip any part of the video or you will not understand. So let's get to our video. Guys, first download the Game Turbo from the description. After downloading it, install it. After installation, open the app. You will see a lot of options to increase gaming stability and FPS. So do what I am doing. If this Game Turbo works for you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.